these are my two cousins. This is Brady.gaming. He has his own channel on YouTube. This is his brother. Let's start doing this.
Yeah, I'm also in a lot of his videos too.
Oh, what is? Wow. Oh, come on, move it. It's currently nighttime outside. Alright, we're gonna go bed. We're gonna go to bed. We're gonna hit the lights. Night night.
All right, you want me to kill the lights?
Yep.
All right. Good night.
Good night, guys. See you in the morning. See you in the morning.
Good morning, boys.
Yes, it's time.
How'd you sleep?
Good. Oh, it was hard to sleep in there. He's up in here for, I don't know, about 24 hours. Not 24 hours. Something like that.
How much did you eat for snacks?
Like 25 pretzels.
Yeah, we ate quite a few pretzels. Yeah, hold on, let me go get them.
Anyways, bye guys. See you in the next one. Lightsaber.
Random lightsaber. Don't forget to go visit Brady.gaming. That's Brady with a capital B.
Yeah, I am also in a lot of the videos too.
And Easton is also in there. So eventually there'll be an Easton.gaming as well.
Yes, there will be. Or it might be some, I'm kind of wanting to do some more outside stuff. I'm not really sure. I might do a short channel. But yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know when I'm coming, so there might be an Easton.gaming coming. I'm not sure. Obi might still have the same account, but we would just change our name to maybe EP.gaming. Yeah, E gaming maybe. I'm not really sure. But anyway,
You can hit the outro.
bye guys.